get that thrower right on top of it.
Crap. I'll just keep it running. You know, I'm not stuck.
Yeah, not stuck. That's right. Not stuck.
Wow. Look at the pick up my phone. Well, that's it.